Fantastic, fantastic. It's beautiful film, beautiful. Such films should run and will run and will create a new trend in cinema.
What's the best part about Hrithik?
Outstanding. It's his best film.
Okay, अभी प्रेम जी ने कहा it's a trendsetter film. Trend set करेगी एक नया प्रेम जी ने.
देखिए आप देखिए ना बहुत अच्छी है.
It's fantastic and Hrithik Roshan is brilliant.
प्रेम जी said it will be a trendsetter.
It'll be a huge hit. It'll be a huge hit. But Hrithik Roshan is unbelievable. It's by far his best film.
What about Yami?
Huh?
Yami.
Yami is good. All of them are good. All the departments have done well. Sanjay Gupta's work is very nice. Ronit is excellent. But ultimately, it's Hrithik's film.
Unbelievable. It's the best film ever. बहुत ही अच्छी picture है. You'll go mad if you see it.
Thank you.
About my own
Just
film.
said it's a trendsetter.
Pardon me?
Prem ji just said Hrithik Roshan just said it will be a trendsetter. It will be
So nice of him that he has liked the film. But I can't say anything about my film. I'm only playing to God.
But even Rishi ji, Neetu ji saying the same thing. You know, they are saying unbelievable what Hrithik has done. This is Hrithik's best performance.
Yeah, it is Hrithik's best performance. Not because he's my son, but as an actor, he has excelled himself to a different limit where other actors and actresses will be inspired to go on his path.
All the simplicity will attract the viewers. As a simplicity of a film.
That I don't know that you have to see the film. I can't say anything about my film. I've honestly made the film and with sincerity and with a lot of passion. Thank you.
Sir.
I am the sound designer of the film, so if I say something, it is obviously vocable. But I think it's a extremely enjoyable film. Quite a stunning movie. Very thrilling.
Was it a challenging task to give the sound? Center looks
Yes, because the film, there's a lot of things based on sound. The main crux of the story is based on sound and voice modulation and imitative voices and all that. So to make that believable, it was a huge task.
Thank you. Thank you. Shooting the film. Prem ji,
कुछ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ, हम कुछ नहीं बोल रहे हैं. पिक्चर आप देखिए.
Neetu ji said unbelievable and Hrithik's best performance till date. She said Hrithik अब तक किसी